Hi, Leopoldo. Thank you for sharing your code and your data. If you look in some posts above yours, you can see that I've already responded this question with the same issue, but I think it's a good time to record a video explaining that. My answer basically explains some issues on the student CSV and then some issues on with the row names being the student ID and changing it to the number 1 because that's the first column. So what do I mean by I've placed your file here. So this is your file. It's placed here. So in RStudio, I set the directory where I'm working, and then I try to import it. And what do I get? I get incomplete file. The actual error message is not correct because you do have a blank line here, but you don't have a quote in here. So that's what you're probably missing. So if I save it and try to run again, I didn't get it finished. I get correct. So this is all you need to do. Basically, you put a quotation mark here. I'm quite impressed because there is something funny on the CSV of some other students that makes the row names equals to student ID not to work, and they have to change it to number 1. But in your case, that works both ways. So you'll find with your way that is saying the column name that should work, but it's not working, and it's probably something weird that I cannot recognize on somebody else's. But on yours, it's just everything fine. So hope you get it correct now.